how to change Doordash to hourly pay. So Doordash has two modes. You can earn per offer or earn by time. So here, if you want to change to hourly pay, what you want to do is first load up the Dasher application and log in with your account, and hopefully you have set up a schedule to deliver. So if you have set up a shift here, what you want to do, I'll just refer to this image here. It's going to look a little something like this. I'm sorry for the quality, but you can choose earn per offer, which is going to be this option, or you will choose earn by time. So if you want to get hourly pay, you will choose earn by time. And how this is going to work is going to show you the amount which you will get paid per hour, and you get to decline one offer each hour. And that's basically how it works. If you decline more than one offer, you will be switched over to earn per offer. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.